Hey gang, we got a 15 GMC Savanna. Don't start, don't crank, don't communicate with most of the modules except for the cluster. The network is looking like that on the portion that is coming from the cluster to the body computer, and it doesn't look so good. This is a good portion, and it doesn't look so good if I switch it to the next portion of the network, and this is what it is. That's coming from BCM to PCM, ABS, and TCM. I suspect the TCM has a most common issue. So you see that the two portions of the network are not connected right now, but if I connect, the whole network goes corrupted. Transmission is the most common suspect there. We're going to go under and check the communications with the transmission itself. Thank you.